Ice cream is one of the world's most loved desserts. It's cold, creamy, sweet, and comes in countless flavors. But have you ever wondered how this frozen treat is made? From fresh milk to the scoop in your cone, let's discover the fascinating journey of ice cream. The process begins on dairy farms where fresh milk is collected from healthy cows. The milk is carefully stored and transported to processing facilities under strict temperature controls to maintain freshness and quality. Once the milk arrives at the factory, it is tested to ensure it meets quality standards. The milk is then combined with cream, sugar, and other ingredients that form the base of the ice cream. Depending on the flavor, ingredients such as vanilla, chocolate, fruit extracts, or natural flavorings may also be added. The mixture is then blended in large stainless steel tanks. These powerful mixers ensure that all ingredients are evenly distributed, creating a smooth and consistent liquid mixture. Next comes an important step called pasteurization. The mixture is heated to a specific temperature to eliminate harmful bacteria and make products safe to consume. This process also helps improve the texture and shelf life of the ice cream. After pasteurization, the mixture undergoes homogenization. During this stage, the liquid is forced through tiny openings under high pressure. This breaks down fat particles into very small droplets, creating a smoother, creamier texture that ice cream lovers enjoy. The mixture is then cooled rapidly and transferred to aging tanks. Here it rests for several hours, usually overnight. Aging allows the ingredients to blend completely and helps improve the final texture, body, and flavor of the ice cream. Once aging is complete, the mixture moves to the freezing stage. Special ice cream freezers churn the mixture while cooling it at the same time. This is where tiny air bubbles are introduced into the mixture. The added air makes the ice cream light, smooth, and easy to scoop rather than becoming a solid block of ice. As the mixture freezes, it gradually transforms into soft ice cream. At this stage, additional ingredients such as chocolate chips, cookie pieces, nuts, caramel swirls, or fruit chunks can be mixed in to create different varieties. The soft ice cream is then filled into containers, cups, cones, or larger tubs using automated packaging machines. These machines work quickly and accurately to ensure each package contains the correct amount. After packaging, the ice cream enters a blast freezer. Temperatures here can be extremely cold, allowing the product to harden rapidly. Fast freezing helps preserve the smooth texture and prevents large ice crystals from forming. Once fully hardened, the ice cream is stored in cold warehouses before being transported to supermarkets, convenience stores, restaurants, and ice cream shops around the world. When you open a tub of ice cream or enjoy a cone on a hot day, you're experiencing the result of a carefully controlled process involving dairy farming, food science, advanced machinery, and quality control. From fresh milk and cream to freezing and packaging, every step plays an important role in creating the delicious dessert millions of people enjoy every day. The next time you take a bite of your favorite flavor, you'll know the incredible journey it took to become the perfect scoop of ice cream. And that's how ice cream is made.